Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to make frozen ekwang. As you can see, this is already blended, Thai and frozen. I got this from an African store. So I will show you guys the easiest way to cook this so it doesn't get messy or scattered on the pot when you're cooking it. So as you see this equal right here, we're gonna let this defrost for an hour or two. We don't want it to over defrost or thaw. We just want it thaw a little bit. So right here I'll just cover it and leave it for an hour or more, depending on how I want it to be. So here it has been thawed. We have the palm oil we'll be using. We have blended garlic, ginger, onions. We have white pepper, seasoned cream, Maggi pepper, country onion or rondelle. We have crayfish. We have dry beef. I smoked that myself. We have salt and we have dry fish there we'll be using to make the ekwang. So in the pot here I have my pot. I've just put rub oil or spread oil around the pot because I don't want my ekwang to be sticky or get burned. So I'll just go ahead and start laying my ekwang in the pot. You don't want to overcrowd your ekwang because if you do, it will get burned. The vapor won't be able to, it won't be able to cook well. So as you can see, this is the first layer, the first container I made. The way I laid it, I left space in between it, so when the pot is boiling, it will boil all around, not just on one spot. So I added some fish and some onions, and I will go ahead and lay the other container. So I laid the other container, and this is the last batch here. I'm adding the fish, the leftover fish in the pot. Make sure you don't overcrowd your ekwang when you tie it, and I put the leftover onions and cover the pot. I'll let the pot steam for about 5 minutes without no water. Why? Because I want it to bind so it doesn't get messy or scatter. So after which I'll add a little bit of hot water, just a little bit as you see, and I'll go ahead and cover the pot again and let it steam so it doesn't get scattered. It can bind. As you can see, you see the vapor coming out. At this point now I'll add my Maggi or seasoning cube. You put your salt, your Maggi to taste. For those who want pepper, you can put pepper for the heat, but I won't be putting pepper in my ekwang. I'll go ahead and put some salt. And I'll be adding my blended garlic and ginger. And I'll be putting my rondelle and white pepper. And I'll add the dry beef or the smoked beef. I smoked that myself. Right now I'm gonna add hot water. At this point I'm gonna put enough water. You can put water on depending on how you want your sauce to be. So right here I'll be putting enough water because the ekwang has been binded together, so it won't be messy or scatter. Now I'm gonna cover this and let it cook. You see it's boiling evenly round, as you can see. You see how it's boiling. You want to cook this on medium heat. You don't want to put this on high heat, it's gonna get burned. So just cook it on medium heat. So right now I'll add my crayfish, and I'll go ahead and add my palm oil or red oil. If you don't want too much, you put the quantity you want depending on you. So at this moment you don't want to use a spoon to turn your ekwang. When you want to turn your ekwang, you just shake the pot. You carry the pot up, shake it, move it around. You don't use spoon to turn your ekwang. You just use two cloth, hold the pot, shake the pot to make sure your ekwang doesn't scatter or get messy in the pot. You see how it's boiling real good? See how good it looks? It doesn't even get scattered. It's still fully. Guys, our ekwang is ready. Look, see how delicious it looks. This looks so delicious. I can't wait to dig in, guys. Go try this method and you will love it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.